Hey y'all, it's Shay Elise here, back with another video. So if y'all want to see how I got these moisturized, luxurious curls, stay tuned and watch the video. So here is the mask. It's an avocado mask. It has avocado, mayo, honey, and olive oil, but you can use any type of oil you want. I keep it in a mason jar to keep it nice and fresh. It does get brown on the top, but that's with any type of avocado product that you use. So yeah, here's the consistency, really creamy like. So I went ahead and parted my hair into 4 sections while it was wet. And I just kind of detangled as I went through. I'm putting a pretty good amount onto my hair to make sure that it's completely saturated with the mask, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a cap on, and I left it on for about 30 minutes. I wouldn't suggest leaving it on any more than about an hour because I don't really like the smell of avocado, so I don't want to just smell that all day. So this is what my hair is looking like after I took the cap off right away. It's already feeling really soft and moisturized. This is really the only thing that restores the moisture into my hair, y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all just a little bit about the mask just for a little bit more information, just in case y'all were curious. So avocado is really rich in biotin and has other it's really rich in biotin, and it has other minerals to help seal the cuticle in your hair as well as promote hair growth. The honey in it helps with breakage and moisture, and mayo of course has the protein that everybody knows about to help with strengthen your hair. Now for the olive oil, I like olive oil because it does help with moisture as well, and also if you have trouble with dandruff, it does reduce scalp irritation and therefore reduces the dandruff buildup. So all of these natural products together help to make for an extremely moisturizing hair mask, and it's always my go-to to help restore the moisture into my hair. So I wanted to just show y'all that pretty much, the mask is doing its job. It's adding that moisture to my hair. It's defining those curls for me. And this is, without any added chemical conditioner or anything. This is just pure natural hair products. So like I said, I'm just showing y'all this. And then I even added a few little clips that I post on my Instagram. So yeah, like I said, this is my go-to mask. I really love it. And yeah, try it out, y'all. So I went ahead and hopped back in the shower to rinse the rest of that mask out. And you can see just in the shower, it's already adding that shine and luster back to my hair. So yeah, like I said, this is really my favorite mask. And this is my hair completely straight from the shower. No product, no leave-in conditioner, no nothing. Just straight water coming straight from the shower, rinsing that mask right off. So as you can see, it's really moisturizing, y'all. This is my favorite mask. There's always going to be a little bit of frizz, that's just my hair, but like I said, there's not a lot of frizz at all. You can even see from my scalp it's moisturized, y'all. So like I said, this is my favorite mask, and I'm gonna link the recipe and me actually making it for y'all in the corner, so stay on the lookout for that. And always don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, y'all.